Hi, it's Jane, Nettle Revolution. I'm just about to make some tea, so I thought actually what I can do is show you how I make it. So I've just been out with my basket and collected a lot of nettle tops, and I have washed a colander of them ready, Blue Peter style. And I'm going to put them into a large bowl because I want to make quite a quantity for an event that I'm attending tomorrow. And although I'm quite happy to use my fingers, I don't mind the odd sting. I know it's beneficial for me, so it's anti-inflammatory and it wards off any arthritis. And so I don't mind getting stung, but I'm not getting stung particularly because I'm picking them up, grasping the nettle quite firmly, and they're not stinging me. So, putting the nettles into a bowl, I'm not weighing them, I'm just eyeing the amount, and we can pop the rest in. They have been washed under cold running water. So that's quite a bowl full. And I could pack some more in there, but I think that's enough. And then I have boiled the kettle, which I'm just going to retrieve. So pouring freshly boiled water over my nettles, and as this happens, it will dissolve the sting from the nettle. So there's no worries about drinking the infusion, the tea, and getting stung. So just the heat treatment will remove those stings. And then all we have to do now is sit back and wait for the medicine to form. So what happens is the roots have been growing, drawing up all the nutrients and minerals that are good for our body on a cellular level. And by infusing these, I'll infuse these now till 1 o'clock tomorrow because I am going out with them for a 1:30 meeting, and by tomorrow this will have gone black. So I will bottle this up and take it with me, and if there's any left over I will put it in the fridge and keep it for a few days because it's high in protein and it will go off quite quickly. So keeping it in the fridge for up to 4 to 5 days is fine, and we will enjoy it tomorrow after I've delivered a talk and shown everybody the nettles close up and how we can make our own medicine with nettles. I hope you enjoy this video.